guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, so right now I have last minute plans and I am going to do my makeup, so I figured I would turn on the camera and film this for you guys. So I'm feeling kind of like a glowy, very vibrant eye, vibrant lip kind of look today, and I'm kind of feeling like that because I was out in the sun today and I'm feeling really good. I'm looking, got a tan, and yeah, so that's the look we're kind of going for. I have an idea of like using orange, so I decided to get this palette out, the BH Cosmetics Summer in Saint Tropez 16 color shadow palette. This one right here. I really love this palette. It's such a good palette. It doesn't look like I used it much, but I actually really did. I also really like the fact that this palette is super duper pigmented. So since I'm feeling that very vibrant eye look today, I am going to be using this shade right here, Jet Set. And I'm going to go in with this one as well. I was looking at the palette, so that's why I already know what I kind of I'm feeling. So I'm going to go in with Jet Set and Super Yacht. So let's do this. I already filled in my brows, I prepped my eyes, set them and everything. So I'm just going to grab the Morphe Ariel brush. This one is the A11, and I'm just going to go in with this shade here. Actually, you know what? I'm not using that brush. I'm using this brush. I'm going to be going in with the A20. This one's more of like a flat shader brush, but also has that edge where it blends out at the same time. So that's kind of what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with Jet Set, like I said. So grabbing that shade, tapping off because you do get some pickup from the shadow. And actually this has a mirror, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to just start applying that all over the lid, just like that, and also blending it into the crease, just like that, and building it as much as I want. I really want this to be very vibrant. So now I'm just going to flip the brush and I'm going to use that to blend out whatever's in the crease and soften that up a little bit. Okay, now that's a little diffused. It's looking good. I like that. Now I'm just going to do the other eye. So doing the same thing, applying shadow all over the lid and into the crease. You can also leave it just like that and add some lashes, but I'm going to take it an extra step. I'm going to go in with this brush. This is a clean brush. This is also right? Is this the same brush? No, this is not the same brush. This is actually a flatter brush, so this is perfect. This is actually an A29 brush, and this is going to be perfect. So I'm going to spray the brush with some setting spray, and I'm going to go in with Super Yacht, and hopefully this turns out the way I'm envisioning it. So grabbing some of that, wetting the brush, and then I'm just going to add that right here on the lid, right there. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Do you guys see that? Look at that. That looks really pretty. I was kind of going to just do the center and make it like a halo, but that looks really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. But that shade and this shade together looks gorgeous. Look at that. Do you see that? It looks so pretty. I like that a lot. It's a good idea. Good idea. It's super quick and easy. I'm going to grab a little bit more setting spray. Just like that. Dip my brush back in. Super easy look. Do that, but oh my god, it looks so pretty. I like that. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some lashes, and I'll figure out if I'm going to do some eyeliner or not, so give me a second. Let me just think about that off camera. Alright you guys, so I finished applying my lashes and I decided not to go in with any liquid eyeliner. I just thought it looked a lot better, a lot softer, and just a lot prettier and vibrant without it. It looks like more of a summer eye look, you know what I mean, without the liquid liner. So that's why I decided not to do it. But the option is always there if you guys want to recreate this and add some liner. It's all good, but I just thought it looked better without it for me today. So now I'm going to go in with some face primer. I'm going to go with the No Pore Blem Primer from Touch in Sol. I'm going to add a little bit of that. And I'm going to go in with a really nice hydrating, what is this? It's the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. So I thought that would be a good choice for tonight. And yeah, so going in with this one's in the shade Light Medium, number 41. Hopefully this will work out for me because, like I said, I did get it a little darker and my hands are slippery. I can't open it. Okay, so I don't know if I should shake this, but just in case. Haven't used this in a bit, so I'm just gonna add a little bit here and a little bit here, a little bit here. I don't even know if that's too much or not. I can't remember. It's been a minute since I used this. So I am going to be going in with this sponge right here from the Morphe Ariel collection. I'm gonna add a little setting spray to it because it's been sitting there for a little bit, and I'm just gonna blend this in. I could have went in with the brush, but I figured I'd go in with this instead. Or maybe I should go in with the brush. Let's see how this works out. I don't think I will have to go in with much more. I'm just going to add some concealer after this for extra coverage, because I don't want something super duper heavy also, you know. That's why I figured I would go in with the skin tint. And since it's like a nice glowy one, I felt like that was a good choice for tonight. I want like a nice little glow to my skin. Look at that. Ooh, I like this. Looks good. Good choice. Good choice. I don't know if it looks a little light. What do you guys think? Does it look light? If anything, I'm just going to bronze up. That's what I'll do. But I don't know. What does it look like? Does it look a little too light? I may look a little ghostly, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm just going to add a little bit more bronzer today, and we'll be good. I'm going to go in with the best concealer ever. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. This is going to give me a little extra coverage, you know. Boom, boom. Nose. Right up here. Going to cover this little pimple I got going on. A little on the chin. Nothing crazy. I'm going to go in with the sponge and blend it out. Telling you, that Tarte Shape Tape is no joke. It is your friend. It is your ride or die. It'll help conceal and highlight. Psh. My God, this is like the best. And a really good dupe is the L'Oreal Infallible, I believe it is. It's such a great concealer as well. I could have used that today as well, but you know, this is what I had literally on my vanity because I use it so much. But like I said, that's a great dupe for this concealer. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and cream bronze. I'm going to go in with this one. This is my favorite of all time. This one is the Makeup Revolution F13 best foundation stick for cream bronzing, you guys, and also so affordable. Just going to add that to the nose as well, contour it a little, and a little nose, on the lips, and we're also going to add a little bit underneath here. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with the A58 from the brush set from Morphe Ariel. Just going to blend that out. Look at that blend. So good. I am so obsessed with these brushes, you guys. They're so amazing. Look at that. See that? Like, what? Yes. Love that. Looks so good. I'm gonna blend that down here, blend it downwards. It's my chair squeaking. I need a new chair. Every time I blend, like, it squeaks. Okay. Look at that. It's looking good, guys. Now I'm going to go in with this brush here. This is the A14. I use this for concealer, and it's really good as well. But, let me see, kind of rub that off a little. Okay. These are really great brushes. Don't worry, I'm going to blend things out. Don't worry, if it looks harsh. Like I was saying, I use this for concealer underneath the eye. It's really, really nice, the A14. But I'm going to use it to blend out my nose. Contour, just like that. Look at that. I like that. Then I'm just going to blend that nose, snatch it up. And then if I need to do more, I'm going to grab the sponge and finish her off. What do we think? What do we think? Good? Yeah? Okay. And I'm just going to go back in with the sponge and just soften up the edges. Make sure everything looks seamless. Also do the lips. Done. To set my under eye, I'm going to go in with this one. I haven't used this one in a while either. This is the Essence My Skin Perfector Loose Fixing Powder. I'm pretty sure I thought this was really good. It's supposed to instantly blur and give you a blur effect. I'm going to be using the A3.2 brush. It's that tulip brush, the smaller one. I'm going to tap that off. And we're going to apply that underneath the eye. Just like that. Okay. Add a little more. Ooh, gives it a little bright under eye. Okay. I think we'll be okay with that. Alright, alright. Now we're going to do this side. I still feel like it's a little too big for my under eye. I feel like this would be good for like the chin, the forehead. You know what I mean? But, God, it's like so big. I feel like it can also just go in with the rest of my face and just set with this powder and this brush. I don't hate it. I do like it. It's been a minute, so not bad, not bad. Not hating it. Actually really like it. Looks good. Definitely see the blur effect. Like, it looks nice. Very nice. Okay, okay. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Patrick Ta for face. This is She Sculpted. I've been absolutely obsessed with this, you guys. It is so, so good. I'm going to grab the larger brush. This one is the A21. I'm going to go in with this. And I'm just going to start applying it on the high points. Make my face look lifted, of course. And yeah, look at that. Oh, I was gonna add some cream blush, but it's okay. I'll add some blush in a minute. But this is so pretty. I actually want to get one of his blushes that comes in a very similar compact. It's very pretty. Has a cream and a blush. Powder blush, so I'm really excited to pick one of those up because I love the bronzer. If I love the bronzer, I'm so like sure that I'm going to absolutely love his blush. Look at that. It's just like so good. Look at that. You can build it up and it's just it's so beautiful. Okay. So I gotta hurry up. I'm taking too long now. Yeah, I gotta get out of here soon. Alright, so now this is the Milani powder blush. I'm gonna grab some of this. This one's in the shade Coral Cove. And I'm just gonna use the same blush brush that I just used. I'm just gonna apply that right here as well. Ooh, gonna add a little bit on the nose because, you know, I was at the pool today. Give me a little bit of a burnt kind of look. I'm gonna go in with a smaller one. Just blend it out. Soften that up. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Boom, boom. Now we gotta go in with some highlight. So going in with this right here, this is the Nabla. It's so good. I love this one. This is the Nabla Skin Glazing Glass Skin Finish Glow Powder in Amnesia. And you guys, it is so amazing. Like, look at this. Look at that. It's so good. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to go in with that. And I'm just going to apply that up here. Give me a little glow. Look at that. I'm going to add a little bit up here. I've been into this right here. I've been applying some up here just to give me a little bit of a glow. Add a little bit on the tip, on the bridge of course, and Cupid's bow. Okay, there we go. Good? Good? Okay, I'm also going to add a little bit on the brow bone. Perfect. Now we're going to go in and finish off the eyes. I gotta hurry up. I gotta get the hell out of here. Okay, going back in, I'm just going to go and grab some of that, what's this color? Jet Set, and I'm going to go in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH39 brush. Grabbing some of that and blending out on the lower lash line. This is super fast, you guys. If I wasn't filming, this look would have been done a long time ago. Okay, see that? Look at that. So pretty. So pretty, so easy, so simple. You know, I try to make my looks super duper simple and fun. First, I'm going to go in with the lips. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Orange County. I'm going to apply a really bold lip today. And to finish off the lips, I'm going to be going in with this one right here. This is the Kylie On Neutral Plumping Gloss. So it's literally just going in with the lip liner and some gloss. And that's it. So now I'm just going to go in and set my face. I'm going to go in with the NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. And that is it. Alright, you guys, so this is it. This is the final look. I have to hurry up out of here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!